Your Etsy sales have dropped. I know, but don't panic. I noticed a lot of people have experienced the same thing, and I have finally figured out one of the main reasons. It's AI, but not the way you're probably thinking about it. I mean, your competitors are using AI to get ahead, and in this video, I'm going to show you 4 main ways they're doing this and how you can beat them and start getting more sales again. I won't waste any time because I know you're busy. Tip number 1, product photography. A lot of sellers are using AI to create high quality product images for their listings and making them really stand out. Etsy loves clean professional aesthetics. So if your product's pictures are a little dark or the background is too busy, your listing won't really be shown to enough people. Now, people love to see a product on a person. If it's jewelry, if it's clothes, they love to see how it will look if they wear it. You can use AI to do this, but you don't even have to spend too much money to generate images to replace all the pictures you currently have on Etsy. Just start with the first image that a person sees. You can use a list of AI tools I'll put in the description. They are all super easy to use, and if you sign up with my link, you can get a free trial. Tip number 2, product listings and tags. On average, it takes about 15 minutes or 20 minutes to write a full Etsy product description and come up with the tags. Though this isn't a lot of time, with AI, it can be done in like 3 minutes. This means you can list more and improve your chances of making a sale. My favorite tool to use are the really popular free chatbots like Gemini AI, ChatGPT, and Claude. They can come up with product descriptions based on the image of your product and tags, and most of the time they'll be super accurate. Tip number 3, product suggestions. We've all been there where we wonder what next to list on Etsy. Take away the guesswork by using AI to get a well-informed suggestion. You can have the most beautiful listing in the world, but if nobody is searching for it, it won't sell. Instead of guessing, we are using 2 powerful AI tools to hunt down profitable niches. Let advanced large language models like Claude or Gemini act as your ultimate free creative partner. Make sure your prompts are very specific because this is how you get good results. Tip number 4, videos. Etsy's algorithm heavily favors listings with videos because shoppers want to see how an item moves, looks, and feels in real life. But setting up physical shoots, hiring models, and editing videos is incredibly expensive and time consuming, right? That's why you can use AI video automation. With tools like Chimera AI or Cellopic AI, you can make product videos and even videos of models wearing your clothes or accessories. Now, these videos can be made just from a single image. Lifestyle videos are also super easy with these tools. If you're wondering how to make these videos, fear not, for I have a ton of tutorials to help you in this very channel. Though sometimes it doesn't feel like it, selling on Etsy has never been easier thanks to these tools. I tested it just to be sure by opening a new Etsy store and started making sales on day 4. So let's stop guessing what will sell or spending hours on listings and start letting AI give you the data, the ideas, and the visuals to scale your shop. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment below letting me know what you sell on Etsy, and subscribe for more actionable guides on turning AI into your ultimate business partner. See you in the next video. Bye!